how to make money make sense in your life. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. So most of us think that the problem that we have is because of the income that we earn. So we always say it's because I don't earn enough. Therefore, if I just got a raise, or I'm just waiting for that one big break. But let me tell you something. If you're not able to manage 5,000, getting 50,000 will definitely expose you. And living paycheck to paycheck is not just because of the salary that you earn, but it's more to do with structure. So, step one, pay yourself first. So, a great question to ask yourself is, what do you mean by pay yourself first? So, when you get your salary, you'll immediately notice that there's a deduction, an income tax deduction that is made without you, before you even receive your money. The taxmen, they make sure that they deduct their funds, whatever it might be, whatever percentage, depending on whichever bracket you fall under. So when you're getting your salary, you're getting the net, not the gross. Now, say we're gonna make an example. Say you get paid 10,000 a month, and for the sake of clarity, we say the taxman gets 1,000. So you're not really getting 10,000. So I wanted you to put it in your head that you don't get paid 10,000. If people ask you how much do you get paid, put it in your head, have it instilled in your head that you earn 9,000, not 10,000. And using that same understanding or that same concept, how much rent do you pay? So if you pay 2,000 rent, then so we said 10 and we took out 9. So you left with we took out 1,000. So you left with 9,000, and you pay rent of 2,000, 5, 6, 7. So you now left with 7,000. So you telling people that you earn 9,000 is not really true. You actually earn 7,000. Again, continue and deduct petrol or tax fare money, because leyo mali akuyona yakho. So engine garage or the taxi association, they have a share in your salary. Let's say it's another 1,000 rand. So from 7,000, you're down to 6,000. Groceries, ShopRite and Pick and Pay, whoever you choose to give your money, let's deduct another 2,000. So you're left with 4,000. So you continue deducting up until you are left with whatever amount is left, then that's your money. Otherwise, the 10,000 is not really your money, because the taxman got 1,000. Engine garage got another 1,000 rand, or is it the tax association? Your landlord got whatever money, even if it's your house, but the fact that that money goes toward the bank, so that's not your money. So when we say pay yourself first, we encouraging you to take the same mentality that the taxman has. Before your salary comes in, immediately when your salary comes in, make sure you transfer it immediately. So the taxman has got his share, you immediately pay yourself. It can be 5%, it can be 10%, whatever it is that you're comfortable with. Because at the end of the day, personal finance is very personal. It means no one can tailor make it for you. Only you can literally tell your money where to go. Only you are able to actually sit down and see where or how to best structure your finances. So personal finance is personal, but the first thing that you need to do, pay yourself first. I would recommend 10%, but because we are all different, even if you start with 5%, minimum at least have 5%, put it aside, pay yourself first. Before the tech, immediately after the taxman, pay yourself first. Before ShopRite and friends take a share of your money. Because stop saying ukuthi wena you earn 10,000. Uyazi ukuthi awuholi 10,000 ngoba lo 10,000 akona wakho. We want to know how much are you making? How much do you retain? Sorry, not how much are you making. How much do you retain? That's the money that we say that's your money. Because from there, then you can be able to deploy your money. You can be able to say, okay, I've got 5,000 rand. Therefore, I'm going to deploy my money to do ABC. But that was it for today. Tell your money where to go. How do we master your money? How do you get to a point where you master your money and not have your money master you? Let's make money make sense. Pay yourself first.